Statement rings are beautiful when worn with simple jewelry. Team it with a lehenga and complementary jewelry to complete your look. Matha Pattis are right on trend. They're traditional, glamorous, and can amp up any boring outfit instantly. Choker style neck pieces are traditional yet glamorous. Team it well with a low neckline choli or an off-shoulder blouse and you're all set to rock that mehendi function. Let a Maang Tikka do all the talking this wedding season. Go minimalistic on your outfit and wear a bold Maang Tikka to wow everyone at the party. Be it an embroidered or a sequin one, a clutch pack not only glams up your look but also is versatile enough to be paired up with a lehenga, sari or a gown. Who said you can't make a statement if you're not into heavy jewelry? A delicate Haath Phool is all you need to adorn your beautiful hands. A beautiful shawl with heavy embroidery is perfect to beat the chilly weather in style. Drape it around your casual suit with some jewelry and there you go. Hello gorgeous. Be it a floral one or an embroidered one, juttis is a must-have this wedding season. Wear it with an anarkali or a lehenga and dance your night out in comfort and style.